Double Crane Ganoderma, globally renowned. Ganoderma, also known as Lingzhi, is a rare, delicate type of fungus, highly regarded and a precious medicine venerated in ancient Chinese scripts. Today, international scientific studies have proven the healing effects of Ganoderma, especially in immune modulation, liver protection, aging delay, and improved physical constitution of allergy. Double Crane persists in offering consumers highly effective Ganoderma products. We have for this reason chosen Baihe, Tainan, known for its pleasant climate and refreshing air, as the cornerstone of the Double Crane Group. Welcome to Double Crane Lingzhi Biotechnology Park, where premium Ganoderma strains are cultivated and produced.
种灵芝有2大困难，一个是菌种研发难，另外一个是栽培管理难。因为要找到一个好菌种没有那么简单，全世界有200多种菌种，大概只有10种能够作为原料的，成功率非常低。所以菌种研发难。因为这个硬体是非常精细的，这个温室的温度可以调控到0.1度C， 所以这是全球大概是最精细的一个灵芝温室了。这个好像是一个超跑，要驾驭超跑必须人会开，所以我们也必须训练人员如何去精准控制，因为这里面的温度、湿度、阳光是牵一发就动全身。因为这边的使命是从没有到有，从刚开始的灵芝菌种的培养，到菌母的培养，这些无菌组织操作，这都牵涉到一些复杂生物技术，所以人才培养必须有一贯性。
From the outer shelter screens, PC plates, inner shelter screens, to the insulation membrane, our 4 layers of precise controlled lighting ensure the steady growth of our Ganoderma. From the rainwater recycling system and RO filter, the spray evaporating system, to the water wall temperature control system, we demand precise control of water provision to enhance the outcome of our Ganoderma cultivation. We established rigorous parameters for Ganoderma cultivation, which is why the quality of Double Crane Ganoderma is unparalleled throughout the industry. Ganoderma of the highest quality grown in our biotech park are harvested and directly delivered to the Yongqian plant for extraction. Active ingredients of Ganoderma: triterpenoids, high molecular weight polysaccharide peptides, plant sterols, and other nucleotides and peptides. Yongqian plant features an extraction and purification process, preserves active Ganoderma ingredients utilizing advanced vacuum and freeze-drying technologies. The extraction is followed by a series of stringent checks and inspection procedures. From filling, metal testing, manual inspection, weight inspection, outer packaging, to storage. Finished products must also pass a series of inspections regarding ingredient composition, microorganisms, materials, and functions conducted by the Food Biotechnology Institute. Yongqian plant has obtained numerous certifications ranging from ISO and JHFA, Halal, Taiwan Health Food Certification, to TQF. It is a world-class factory dedicated to food safety. Double Crane has built an integrated production line of unsurpassable quality. As the global leading brand in Ganoderma production, Double Crane has firmly established a benchmark for Ganoderma biotechnology.
我觉得保健食品最重要的是原料，原料决定一切。那我们可以让客户看到他吃的产品原料就在我们这边，非常精密、非常安全的成长。
Each Ganoderma capsule delivered into the hands of our consumers embodies 100% dedication, care, and commitment. Each tiny Ganoderma capsule imbued with Double Crane's grand dream of safeguarding the health of you and I. Believe in Ganoderma, believe in Double Crane, Embark on a journey that fulfills your dreams.